What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So on this video, what I want to highlight is when you're taking a video of your drone when the drone is powered on, basically you'll be hearing some sort of buzzing noise. The buzzing noise, you can't hear it from your ear. However, it's getting picked up by the camera. So obviously I'm filming from my iPhone 7 Plus. So I think there's some sort of interference, especially when you're filming directly facing the drone this way. Because just now when I've got my camera, I'm trying to film the drone this way when the drone is powered up. Obviously the buzzing noise occur. However, when I get around at the back of the drone, that buzzing noise seems to be gone. So that's purely, I think, caused by some sort of interference between the frequency made from the drone and on the iPhone. So you get to see it much later on the video. So obviously on this video, I wanted to highlight to you how loud the heatsink is making when the drone is powered up. Okay, so hopefully you'll be able to hear some sort of buzzing noise once I've switched on the drone. So there's some buzzing noise, not sure whether you can hear it yet. But when I turn it around, hopefully that should not be picked up by the iPhone. So I obviously had some concern on whether my Mavic Pro should be making so much noise from the heatsink, the fan. So I obviously did some research online, check out some forums. I think yes, it's meant to be making that noise, so it's fine.